So today I'm going to walk you through connecting your Google Sheet with your Zobrx accounts. On our integrations page, we've got a connector which says connect to Google Sheet. It's an OAuth secure process to connect. Click on continue to Google. It's going to ask you to select an account, whichever Google account has your Google Sheet. Once you've clicked on connection, you need to authorize Zobrx to use Google. Click on allow. And as you can see, instantly the Google Sheet gets connected. On your connected channels, there is a Google Sheet icon. Now we need to configure the sync of which specific Google Sheet that we want to configure. So I'm just clicking on configure. It's going to ask you to choose from Google Drive, and I'm going to just type one of the sheets that has some data. Now, what it says, it's asking you to tell it the row which has the header. So in my case, it's got the second row. And then it says, what kind of data is this? So I say it's going to be an inventory sync data, and I load and preview the fields here. So it's telling me, okay, these are the fields that you have. Sorry, I selected the wrong tab. And I'm going to again, yeah, so SKU code, if it's available, it gives you the SKU code. Warehouse ID is optional. And then I select, okay, this particular column is my available quantity. I can set up a sync frequency 15, 30 minutes, hardly 6 hours. So let's say 6 hours. I'm just unchecking enable because it's a test account, and then I save on the sync. That's it. So now what essentially happens is every time you update your inventory on Google Sheet, it automatically gets synced to Zobrx, and from Zobrx it gets pushed to all your e-commerce marketplace platforms.